Here's some unity and division trivia. Subscribe. What term describes conflict ending in compromises? Is it A, bargaining, B, collaboration, C, confrontation, or D, ultimatum? The correct answer is A, bargaining. Which historic treaty ended the U.S. Civil War? Is it A, Treaty of Ghent, B, Treaty of Versailles, C, Treaty of Appomattox, or D, Treaty of Paris? The correct answer is C, Treaty of Appomattox. Which term refers to the breakup of Yugoslavia? Is it A, partition, B, balkanization, C, alliance, or D, federation? The correct answer is B, balkanization. What was a main cause of the American Revolutionary War? Is it A, independence movements, B, slave labor policies, C, natural disasters, or D, taxation without representation? The correct answer is D, taxation without representation. Which movement sought to abolish slavery? Is it A, suffrage movement, B, labor movement, C, abolitionism, or D, civil rights? The correct answer is C, abolitionism. Which push for independence occurred in India? Is it A, French Revolution, B, Boston Tea Party, C, Civil Rights Movement, or D, Indian Independence Movement? The correct answer is D, Indian Independence Movement. What agreement sought to end hostilities in Vietnam? Is it A, Camp David Accords, B, NATO Treaty, C, Geneva Conventions, or D, Paris Peace Accords? The correct answer is D, Paris Peace Accords. Which landmark decision ended public school segregation? Is it A, Plessy v. Ferguson, B, Roe v. Wade, C, Miranda v. Arizona, or D, Brown v. Board of Education? The correct answer is D, Brown v. Board of Education. Which conflict had a famous divide and conquer strategy? Is it A, Korean War, B, Roman conquest, C, War of 1812, or D, 100 Years' War? The correct answer is B, Roman conquest. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.